Viewers, getting you some big updates coming in. Remember, hours after US aircraft landed at the Amritsar airport with those illegal immigrants, we see the Punjab NRI Affairs Minister Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal urges Prime Minister Modi to speak to his friend US President Trump regarding the deportation of Indians. Dhaliwal also spoke to some of these deportees hailing from Punjab at the airport. While 30 of the deportees are from Punjab, 33 are each from Haryana and Gujarat, 3 each from Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, and 2 from Chandigarh. All right, big update coming in right now, Republic TV viewers, where we see that these illegal immigrants were deported from the US, and that aircraft has landed. Okay, we will also go ahead and play out that exact statement of the Punjab minister.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने ये इंटरनेशनल मुद्दे आ उस लैवल ते ये मुद्दे ਜਿਹੜੇ डिस्कस होने आ उस लैवल ते ਇਹਨਾਂ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਮੋਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਸਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡੈਪੂਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਜੇਲ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤਲਵਾਰ ਲਟਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਹਦੀ ਢਾਲ ਬਣ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਬਾਹ ਫੜਨ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਬਾਹ ਫੜਨ ਤੇ ਟਰੰਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਮਸਲੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ
All right, let's go straight across to my colleague Lalit joining us live. Lalit, we see that US military plane carrying these illegal Indian immigrants landed in Amritsar. And if you could take our viewers through what has really happened there, especially the statement of this Punjab minister. The Punjab minister is seeking the intervention of PM Modi.
Well, Shivangi, yesterday around 2, the military aircraft C-17 reached the Amritsar airport, and after the proper documentation and verification of all the Indians who have been deported from the US Texas on Tuesday around 3, they landed safely in the Amritsar airport. But Shivangi, 104 total of 104 Indians have landed there, and after reaching there in the Amritsar airport, the NRI Affairs Minister of Punjab Kuldeep Dhaliwal said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should intervene and should talk to the US President Donald Trump regarding the deportation of the Indians who have been sent back for the illegal documents. Kuldeep Dhaliwal has also given the statement that majority of the Indians' work permit has expired, and after that now they have been sent back to the India. And this is not the way that the countries run, as majority of the Indians' contribution is for the economy and growth of that country. So the Indians should not send back, as majority of the Indians who have went there, they have given everything there. They have taken loan, and now their lives are at stake. So the Prime Minister should intervene and should talk to the US President. One thing more, around 30 are from the Punjab, while 33 each are from the Haryana and Gujarat. So all of them have been sent back to their respective homes after proper verification by the immigration and by the government agency. So around 2, the aircraft reached the Amritsar airport, and after the proper verification, all these have been sent. But there has been a lot of anger by the relatives of the one who have been deported back. So more things would come out, what sort of ordeal they have been gone through, all those would be shared when the things would come in the coming days.